Can you guess the food with the set of emojis within 5 seconds? So here is the first set of emojis, and it was peanut butter. How about this one? Meatball. This one is easy. Pineapple. Strawberry shake. Butter popcorns. Onion rings. Grilled chicken. Cornflakes. Cotton candy. Chocolate cheesecake. Walnut. Chicken burger. Tuna steak. Apple juice. Corned beef. French fries. Ice cream. Tomato soup. Apple pie. Pasta sauce. Beef stew. Fried rice. Brown sugar. Banana bread. And here is the last food that you need to guess. Jelly beans. You can watch more videos here.